Hello friends, myself Mayur Paliwal. I am an executive member here at muacm. So in this video, I will be showing you how you can install VS Code, Mingw setup for C and C++, and live server extension for web development. So let's start. First, we will install VS Code. We can download VS Code from its official website. We can download it for Windows, Mac and all. I will be downloading it for Windows. It will take time. VS Code has been downloaded. Now we can install it. Here it is the directory where we have to install it. We can create all these options. So we can open with code when in any folder by right click. So we have to take all the options. The VS Code has been installed. Now let's set it. VS Code has been installed. Now do the setup of VS Code. So here we can open any folder over here, or we can create a folder. Let's suppose I give a folder name Mingw. Now we can create a file fun.cpp. It's a C++ file. Here we can write a simple hello world code. Here are some shortcuts. By Shift Alt and down key we can copy the code, or it's a very useful shortcut, and by Alt down key we can move the line up or down by up key or down key. Now I save it. Now we have to run it, but we have not installed Mingw. So first we will install Mingw. Here an extension is there, run code, from with the help of which we can run our code. Here is the extension code runner. So as I have already installed it, I have to enable it. You can do this, uninstall first, then we have to install simply. Now it has been installed. So we can see the icon over here to run the code. So as we can show that the code is run, but it is saying that G++ is not recognized as an internal or external command. So we have to set up Mingw and see it is running in output, and we want it in terminal. So we can give the input also smoothly. So for that, for running the code in terminal, we can go in the settings. In settings, type terminal and come to the bottommost, and here it's an option code run in terminal. So check in it. Now the code will run in the terminal. Now we can see that the code is running in the terminal, but it will show an error that G++ is not recognized. So let's do the Mingw setup part. Now come to the tab and type Mingw. From the first website we have to go and download the Mingw. It will automatically downloading. Now the downloading has been done. It's a small file, so it will download. Now we have to install Mingw. Now Mingw is installed. Now we can click on all the options for mark for installation. Wait for a minute. You have to click on all the options. Here are showing some green options because they are all pre-installed in my computer. If it is not showing like this, you have to click on it and you have to mark pause them for installation. Then mark others for the installation process. When all are done with by marking installation, go to installation and you have to apply changes. Then it will take some time and it will stop. The installation will take time. After some time this box will appear. You have to close it and all this will be installed. If you want to run only C and C++ files, then you can only install GNU C++ compiler and the basic Mingw installation. Others are not necessary, but you can install them. As I have installed all of this, like you can close it. Now you have to go to Windows C in Mingw, go to the bin section and copy this path. Then go to this PC properties. In properties, go to advanced system settings, environment variables. Then you have to go to the path and here go to the edit option and select new. Then click OK. Then again come to vscode. Now run the code. Now you can see that where the output is shown over here, hello world. That's all. Now I have said that I will show one more extension, that is live server. So go over here and then type live. So the first extension over here is the live server. I have pre-installed it. You can install over here. This helps in running our web files. Let's make one.html. Here you can embed the code by this. And so if we have to see the changes live, we can go over here and right click and open with live server. And we can see the changes over here. If I change anything over here like this and control save it, then we can see the changes without reloading the file. So it helps us in seeing the live changes. That's all for the video. Please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.